up and came back, and everybody's like people were
This is a test of the Child Detection Emergency Broadcast System. This is only a test. Attention visitors, for your safety on hovering through Monstropolis, please keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, tentacles, and tails inside the taxi. And be sure to supervise your little monsters. Thank you. Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Smoothie Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
When this human child holds me with its telepathic control, the baby danced like a chicken. My heart was my own. Then it grabbed its giant.
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
This way.
Perimeter is under observation. Decon unit in position. Spread out and lock it down. There's nothing down here. All units, here's the girl wherever you are. Situation is
My, they're working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scale floor.
Race you to the scare floor.
Almost there, kiddo.
They'll never find her door now.
There's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. I love you, kiddo.
Good night, boo. Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 progress and reported to where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out all on your head down. Where decontaminator under observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 9090. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 9090. We
underneath that lap bar.